Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, September 16, 2021. Starting this weekend, Sunday will be the only no-movement day as government revises measures aimed at containing the spread of COVID-19. Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave the update in a statement to Parliament on Wednesday.
So on Saturday, technically the curfew begins at 6 p.m. on Saturday, but it will continue throughout Sunday to 5 a.m. on Monday. All right? So Sunday is a no movement day. For clarity, the weekday no movement days will be discontinued.
The revised measure is effective from September 18 to October 28, during which the new curfew hours for weekdays will be from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. The Prime Minister says this does not represent a loosening up of measures.
I don't want that to be the interpretation. The epidemiologists and other experts at the Ministry of Health, having reviewed the data, and we're now starting to examine transportation in greater detail, took the view that 8 o'clock is a better time to allow for the clearing of congestion and to reduce the crushing of persons trying to get onto public transportation to get home.
National Heroes Day, Monday, October 18, will be a no-movement day. Certain vaccination sites will remain open on the no-movement days, and persons who wish to receive the vaccine will be allowed to do so. Businesses and delivery operators registered on the e-commerce national delivery system ENDS will be able to operate after curfew hours until midnight and on no-movement days. As for other containment measures, the public gathering limit remains at 10 persons, while only 20 persons are allowed to physically attend places of worship, weddings, and annual general meetings. And the existing work-from-home arrangement stipulated for the public sector has been extended to October 28. A 40-bed field hospital has been opened in Maypen, Clarendon, as government expands its capacity to provide care for COVID-19 patients. Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, says it is among several such facilities being established to increase hospital bed space. Field hospitals are also being established at the University Hospital of the West Indies, Savannah Lamar Hospital in Westmoreland, Mandeville Regional Hospital, and Falmouth Hospital.
So we're looking at adding capacity in excess of 300, maybe more, 300, 350 beds. We give the standard numbers, but we do tweak it a bit so the numbers are not absolutely precise. And this is all in demonstration tangibly of our response to the treatment component of the COVID-19 virus.
The health minister thanks the U.S. government for its support in setting up the Maypen Field Hospital. Charge d'Affaires of the United States Embassy in Jamaica, John McIntyre, pledged more support, including a donation of $850,000 to enhance Jamaica's ability to respond to the pandemic.
They will donate an additional $5.2 million of US dollars to advance vaccination and strengthen health systems to diagnose, manage, and mitigate COVID-19 transmissions. President Biden made a commitment. When we said we were going to donate vaccines, we donated them. So you got the first shipment. The second shipment is coming. Full stop. It's going to be as much or more than the last shipment. So it's coming. It is a substantial donation.
The Ministry of National Security is reporting that COVID-19 vaccine hesitancy is slowly decreasing among the prison population, with the take-up of the vaccine increasing. Minister without portfolio, Matthew Samuda, says the take-up rate among prisoners has risen to 12%, with approximately 200 inmates vaccinated last Friday alone.
A lot of public education is going on. The inmates who have taken were obviously all fine. I think he's also encouraging others to do the right thing. And I think the measures that we've had to take to protect the inmates are starting to take their toll, so persons are more willing to do what they need to do to get back to normal.
With 3,400 inmates in 7 correctional facilities across the island, the minister says the vaccination program will continue for the remainder of this week and next week. The Minister of Industry and Commerce, Audley Shaw, has been asked to assume additional responsibility for the agriculture and fisheries portfolio. In making the announcement, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says this is to ensure that all current programs of work and policy direction are maintained to yield the maximum benefits to our farmers and local agricultural sector. The decision follows yesterday's resignation of Minister Floyd Green, who stepped down from the cabinet in response to a video showing him at a social gathering. In response to the video circulation, Councillor Andrew Bellamy also resigned from the board of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, as well as the committees he was chairing in the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. And Gabrielle Hilton has resigned from her board appointments at the CLA, RADA, and 4-H.
We take it very seriously. I mean, as you can see, this is not a matter that we are treating lightly.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.